आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Right. So here we have a question that is given that solve triangle ABC. So once again we will have to solve for a triangle ABC. Okay. Now we have been given two dimensions, that is if A equals to 7 and B equals to 12 and angle C equals to 62 degree. Now in such type of sums, say this is a triangle, this is our vertex A, this is our vertex B and this is our vertex C. Alright. So you see that in triangle ABC the sides have been defined by small letters, right? So small a equals to 7, small b equals to 12, right? And angle capital C, so it's the angle at one of the vertex, that is 62 degree, and it has been said that this angle is 62 degree, right? Right. So now just remember, for a triangle that has been given as ABC, the side opposite to vertex A will be marked by small a, right? So the dimension of BC is small a, right? Next, opposite to vertex B, this side will be small b, all right, which is 12. So AC has a dimension of 12, and the side opposite vertex C is given by small c. So what we are going to do here is, first we are going to use the law of cosines to find the dimension of AB or small c. Okay. So now that we are using the law of cosines, we have to know what law of cosines actually means. So it is given by the formula. Suppose in a given triangle, as it is given in this particular question, it's an apt example to describe the law of cosines. See, we have two sides A and B. The dimensions of A and B is given, and we have the included angle, that is the angle that has been made by A and B. All right. Under such circumstances, it is said that the dimension of the other side C will be given by C equals to root over A square plus B square minus 2AB cos the included angle, that is angle C. Okay. So that is our law of cosines. Okay. Now we have the law of cosines with us. We have the value of A, the value of B, and we have angle C. So simply we will solve for C. All right. A square, 7 square, that is 49, plus B square is 12 square, that is 144, minus 2 into 7 into 12 into cos of 62 degree, right? And that gives us an answer for C equals to 10.68. All right. So now we have the values of A, we have the values of B, and the value of C. All right, the value of A, B, and C. Now what we are going to do is, we will find the rest of the angles that has not been given to us. Here we will apply what we know as the law of sines. All right. Now what does the law of sines state? It states that the sine of angle A by side A will be equal to the sine of angle B by side B equals to sine of angle C by side C, right? This is our law of cosines, right? So now we have law of sines. I'm so sorry, this is the law of sines, right? So now we will be finding out angle A and angle B, which is not given to us. All right. So how do we do that? Right. Now from the question you can see that A is given as 7 and B is given as 12. Alright. C we have found out to be 10.68. Right. So now we are going to apply the law of sines to find out the value of A and B. See. So this particular equation can be again written as sine of angle A by 7 equals to sine of angle B by small b, that is 12, equals to sine of 62 degree, that is angle C, by small c. Small c is, we found out, 10.68, right. So that is the small c. Okay. Now see, first we will find angle B. Okay. So how do we do that? We will take these two terms first. Sine 62, we will find out the value using a calculator. 10 or if you have a trigonometry table, you can use that as well to find out the value of sine 62 degree. But the best use is the calculator. Okay. Next we know the value of C. So this value is known to us and this is our unknown value. So first, sine B will be equal to 12 into sine of 62 degree by 10.68. Okay. So from here, B will be equal to sine inverse of 12 into sine 62 degree by 10.68. Right. So that gives us a value for B or angle B equals to 82.65 degree. Okay. Next we will find out the value of angle A. So for that we are going to take two values. Since we have already calculated the value of this earlier for finding out angle B, so what we are going to do is we are going to take sine A by 7 equals to sine 62 degree by 10.68. Okay. So that becomes sine A by 7 equals to sine of 62 degree by 10.68, which gives us sine A equals to 7 into sine of 62 degree by 10.68. All right. So that will give us a value of, or A will be equal to sine inverse 7 into sine 62 degree by 10.68, right. And that gives the value of angle A as 35.36 degrees, right. So now we have completely solved for this given triangle, right. See, once more we will see, when you are given to solve for the triangle, that means you have to find out the values of angle A, B and C, and you have to find out the sides, that is small a, small b and small c. So first we found out small c using the law of cosines, right. This is the law, this is the particular formula. Okay. So you are using that formula to find out the value of small c. So we have this value now. So now we have the value of all the three sides A, B and C, right. Next we will find the value of angle A and angle B using the law of sines, right. So from there we find out the value of B as 82.65 degrees and we find out the value of A as 35.36 degrees. Now if you want to check that whether your sum is correct or not, you can do one thing. You can add up all the three angles, that is angle A, angle B and whatever is given as angle C, okay, that is 62 degree. When you add all the three, you will see that the value will be equal to 180 degree, which is correct for the sum of the angles in a triangle, right. So that gives you the solution of the triangle ABC.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।